Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we'll see how to enable call waiting on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. Then scroll down and tap on calling accounts. Now from here, just tap on the name of your SIM cards. If you have two SIM cards on your smartphone, both of them will be shown right here. I have currently one SIM card on my smartphone, so I will tap on SIM 1. Now just tap on additional settings. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable this toggle to enable call waiting. And this is how you can enable call waiting on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.